Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. So I know I haven't been on here in a while and I have an explanation. I was sick, I had to have surgery, so I'm just recovering now and I'm just finally feeling better, so that's good. So I have an explanation, so I hope you guys can forgive me. But oops, yeah, but I have a little guest. This is my cousin Deandra.
Hey guys.
So she's visiting, so yay. And we are going to Houston this weekend.
It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. And yeah, so we're here at Starbucks. We're on our way to get some pedicures.
Yeah.
And then
rich black girl YouTube.
period. So yeah, I'm excited for that. So yeah, taking you guys along on our weekend. And guys, I'm gonna link this Amazon wig down below. They didn't pay me to do that, but they gave it to me, but I'm just giving them a little bit of promo. But yeah, I like it. It's like, it looks really good. But yeah, so let's go on and enjoy the day. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Houston and it's the next day because yesterday, oh my god, I forgot to remove my sunscreen. So yesterday we just came home and slept. We went to Walmart, got a few things and we slept. So we're heading to the mall because Deandra needs an outfit and I might get an outfit because I forgot a jacket and it's kind of chilly. So I was just updating you guys. So we're about to head to the mall, guys. I tried the curtain bags thing. Girl, I'm living. This wig is so bomb. I was going to record and I totally forgot, but this is what I'm wearing. And there's just some biker shorts. And I'm gonna carry my bag. Oh, let me go get my bag. So this is the bag I'm taking. I got it from Shein. And I'm gonna wear my sneakers. I'll show you guys like my full outfit once I'm with Didi and we can, well, she's just in the other room. But yeah, so yeah, see you guys once we're at the mall. So guys, we're back home. The mall was just hectic. So I got a few items from H&M. I was going to show you guys what I got. And I got two things from Forever 21. So I just got two necklaces. Yeah, I don't have no money to buy no real gold. So the cheap one, real gold on my wrist, fake gold on my chest. So I got these from Forever 21, and then I got these outfits. I'm not sure which one I'm going to keep and which one I'm going to wear tonight or if I'm just gonna keep it. So I got this kind of like a loungewear, not loungewear, but like, I don't know how to explain it. But these are the pants and they're full length. And then this is the top. I'm feeling it, but my cousin said it's too simple. So that's one outfit. And then this is the second outfit. This is the pants. This is the outfit that I like more. So this is the pants, long. And then this is the star of the show. This chocolate brown satin shirt. Like, when I style it with the jewelry and everything, look bomb. So I'm gonna hop in the shower because it's 8 o'clock and makeup has to be done and stuff, and I don't want to rush and want to take pictures. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and when Dee Dee's doing my makeup, I'll just show you guys. So yeah, guys, so Dee Dee's doing my makeup. What?
No, look.
And I love it. What? That's a girl look. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we finish getting ready. This is the finished look. Damn, I feel so pretty. Like, oh my god. So I am ready to head out. This is what I end up choosing to wear. These black jeans, because it just wasn't looking good with the other thing, and the other thing had a stain on it. So yeah, this is the outfit. Top from H&M, pants is Fashion Nova. I'm wearing my Tory Burch, and this is the bag I'm carrying. So yeah, we're probably gonna take shots before we leave. So once we're done taking the shots, we're gonna head out. Hey guys, and I haven't seen Dee Dee from day, but she's here. But we're gonna take a shot. So let's cheers on camera. Oh shit. Let's do. You ready? Oh god. That never survived. No, it was that bad. Oh my god. What? Jesus. We're gonna head out because we're already late. Hey guys, so I'm an awful vlogger because I totally forgot to vlog for the rest of the night. But last night was fun. The place that we went to wasn't that good. I got a few clips and I'll include that, but wasn't it for me. I went to my bed hungry. But today we just rested. Dee Dee met curgoat and rice and peas, so that's what I'm gonna eat for dinner. But we're going to Topgolf first because Topgolf gonna close and we're not that hungry to eat right now. But this is the fit. The shirt from H&M. This is my woman's vest leggings, and these shoes are from Adidas. So So yeah, and I'm bringing this cute little bag. Let me show ya. So yeah, you get the vibe. It's shot o'clock. Oh,
I feel like it's
Jesus.
like white rum, whatever made.
Guys, that was disgusting. I'm not a drinker, so. But yeah, we're gonna head to Top Golf. Bye.
Me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' about money, bake. Sit back and roll a whole eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I color cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seen no slam of the day. Trouble if you come from the hate. Straight back and off, ain't wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, a new range. Slip through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. Rico and Sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? 94 inches and I'm in the skate. Roll this scotch well in the face. Getting the rest of the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the car. That was cold as water. That was cold as water. I'm tryna own the part. It's so the I got them rest of my bed. Still shooting dust at the palace. I'm kinda cool, can we get it? Your girl, he's still in the left. I treat it like all as a max. Made a little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the car. That was cold as water. That was cold as water. I'm tryna own the part. It's so the I got them rest of my bed. Still shooting dust at the palace. I'm kinda cool, can we get it? Your girl, he's still in the left. I treat it like all as a max.
Guys, I'm beating them. Look at the points. Hold on, let me have to zoom in so they can see that I am winning. Look, guys, they're sore losers, and it's alright. No, bitch, they're cheating. I'm convinced they're cheating. Guys, they're sore losers. Guys, I'm so happy she's here. Hold on, let me turn down the brightness a little. Guys, she's cheating, you know, I don't know why. She'll make it seem like say she can't play golf. Guys, I'm a golfer. As of today, I am a golfer. I'm excited bad. Guys, we're waiting on our nachos. I'm currently going to eat, you know. But we are waiting on the nachos. Yes, we got some drink. I got some Moscow Mule. You guys know, if you guys watch my videos, like actually watch my videos, she got it because I was just talking shit. Things are looking bright, Deandra. Ready? So what we cheers it to? We cheers it to the good life. The good life. Rich black girl TikTok. Rich luxury life. Yeah. Rich black girl YouTubers. Period. Yes, and some more videos, girl. And more trips and excitement and you know. Period. Yeah, the life. Ooh, okay. It looks so good. What I'm calling that? Yeah, don't fall. That is my prayer for. Yeah. Guys, when you know some beard that I makeup, but it's time to the skin nice. I'm gonna do an updated skincare routine. And yeah. You know, guys, I'm gonna film the video of me doing this here, and I decided not to. And look how fucking good it come out. Look how it come out. Watch out, guys. Guys, we're trying to take pictures. Wish me luck.
Me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' about money, bake. Sit back and roll a whole eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I color cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seen no slam of the day. Trouble if you come from the hate. Straight back and off, ain't wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke on shots to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move same. 2018 the new range. Come through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. Rico and Sack on these saints. Doing this shit that you can't. Drip on your bit like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that ring?
Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. We're done with Top Golf and we just got some cute pictures, so you guys will see that on the gram. I'm gonna link D'Andra's channel as well as her Instagram in my description box, so if any of you want to view her content, you can definitely check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't the best, it was all over the place, but I was having fun. Sometimes you just have to live life. So as usual, thank you for supporting me and see you next time.